good. This was really good because you really dialed up the aggression, and that was really important. You learned where it went. You just need to get on the throttle a little bit easier, and you would have had it. And you actually caught it afterwards. Like, that's really good. You brought it back from really freaking far out there. That was really good. So I thought that was a very good for learning experience. They just need to dial. Now you've gone over the limit. Now you have to dial it. You know where to dial it back a little bit.